this is Jamie for GearBest. This video today, not an unboxing video for any electronics, but an intro for these best-selling bag that we have at GearBest, the Xiaomi backpack. One thing that's really worth mentioning is these are very cost-effective. It's around 10 bucks. We're currently on sale for this one, so let's get into it. It's actually not much to talk about when it comes to products like this. So I'm just gonna quickly go through the selling points for these bags before I can actually cue into the actual use of the bag. So to start with what matters the most to me, the color options. As we can see here, I have 4 colors available, but it actually comes in 8 color options. It's a lot to memorize since it comes in 8 colors, but I think the bag, it comes in black, blue, blue ice, red wine, velvet red, orange, dark yellow right here, and light sea green. Secondly, probably what it matters for backpack usual users. Like me, I'm not a huge fan of backpack using, but it's mostly because my work doesn't really require backpacks. But for those who really carries laptops or some heavy equipment to work or to school, it might take into consideration about the weight itself. Last but not the least, this is 4-level water-resistant design. I would love to actually test it out. Right here, it's gonna be kind of cool for me and really fun, but unfortunately, our desk here isn't really water-resistant. So let's cue in the demonstration video here. So that's pretty much it about this Xiaomi bag. It's very cost-effective, very pretty, and very, very practical. Like and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and thank you for watching.